Hey guys, how's it going? How to free up space for iOS 18.1.1 installation. So after you updated your iOS to the latest version, you probably the update will probably take some space. So if you want to free up some space so you can get the best experience, go ahead to the general, right? After you've opened the settings, and then go ahead to the iPhone storage. And as you can see right here, I have 95 gigabytes, so I consume 95.12. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the consuming apps on my iPhone. In my case, CapCut. So I'm gonna upload the app and double click, and I'm gonna be able to reinstall it again from the same settings. The same goes for Drive. Again, upload the app, do it all over again, and basically you're gonna see right here on my iPhone, right? And you're gonna do the same step over and over again, right? And remove the unnecessary data from that from each app or your device. Okay, another way of doing it, you can just go back, right? Go back to the main settings, scroll a little bit down, click the apps from here, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your Safari. You're gonna try to pin down Safari, right? Probably this is why your basically iPhone takes some space, because of your apps, and that includes the apps that are already there. So I'm gonna just go and scroll a little bit down, and I'm gonna click clear history and data, and I'm gonna just toggle on close all tabs if necessary, and then double click to clear and confirm that you want to clear all of that information. Another way of doing it, go ahead and scroll a little bit down, click advanced, click website data at the top, and then basically you're gonna see the websites that you visited lately. So just go ahead and hit edit, right? And then scroll a little bit down, and let's say I want to remove it all. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down and click remove all website for use for tracking, and basically click remove, and basically now you freed up some space on your iPhone. In that way, you're gonna be able to get the best experience on iPhone. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.